Imagine, like, the biggest tech companies in the world simultaneously facing internal mutinies, corporate cannibalism, and just straight up abandoning major global markets.
It sounds wild, but
But that is exactly what we are seeing in the crypto markets as we close out Q2.
welcome to today's deep dive into the Vantage Plus weekly crypto analysis, published on Monday, June 29th, 2026. Our mission today is to decode this current market volatility, the strong dollar impacts, and what the charts are actually signaling for you.
Yeah, it's a harsh reality check for the industry right now.
It really is. Q2 is ending with some incredibly weak sentiment.
Well, the overarching story here is that the crypto market is acting just like the broader equity market. They are
Yeah.
highly correlated right now, and that macro weakness is dragging everything down.
Right. I mean, just look at Bitcoin.
Exactly. It's desperately defending that $60,000 level, currently sitting at $60,123. But defending isn't thriving.
So why can't it break out? We keep seeing it inch up and then immediately get knocked back down. Because it keeps hitting a technical ceiling,
Yeah.
what we call resistance. It hovers near $60,000, but
But it can't push through.
right, because every time it tries to push toward $62,000 or $63,000, sellers just overpower the buyers.
Makes sense.
So unless a massive wave of buying volume steps in to smash through that ceiling to spark a renewed uptrend, the broader downward pressure is just going to keep pushing it lower.
And that macro pressure is exposing some serious cracks in the foundation of major tokens, too. Take Ethereum.
Oh, yeah, the internal drama there is intense.
The Ethereum Foundation just slashed 20% of its workforce amid all these complaints that they aren't supporting the token's price. And at the same time, former researchers have spun off into a new entity called Labs to capture institutional money.
Okay, let's unpack this. Is this like a legacy tech company getting cannibalized by its own ex-employees?
That is a great way to put it. I mean, Labs threatens to siphon off the exact capital that props up Ethereum's value.
Wait, really? Just like that? Yeah, when big institutional money flows into a spin-off instead of directly into the ETH token, the core demand drops. And how is this internal chaos showing up in the charts? Well, it is visualizing that exact drain in real time. Trading at $1,573, Ethereum has broken completely below its positive weekly trend.
Wow, that is low.
It is. If it can't generate enough momentum to push back above $1,800 this June, further weakness is highly likely.
How far down are we talking?
We are looking at a terrifying downward target of the $100,000 mark.
Ouch. So Ethereum is bleeding from the inside, but the rest of the altcoin market is slamming into a massive external wall tomorrow, July 1st.
Ah, the Eurozone's MiCA license deadline.
Right. And the fortunes are totally night and day here. Ripple managed to secure their license,
Yeah, they locked it in.
while Binance, on the other hand, just pulled out. Rumor is they are saving face from a likely rejection.
Yeah.
But hang on, I have to challenge this.
Go for it.
So Ripple gets a big regulatory win. They got the license. Why is their technical chart still looking so grim?
I mean, in a booming bull market, a licensing win triggers a massive rally.
We're not right now.
No, right now, macrogravity is heavier than individual good news. Ripple is trading at 1.0470, which means it is stuck below its 50 moving average of $1.15.
So the psychology is just fundamentally bearish.
Very bearish. It's stuck below a key support zone of $1.40. The selling pressure is so heavy, it's risking a fall well below the psychological $1 mark.
All the way down to what?
Potentially down to 85 cents.
That is brutal. Is anything actually fighting this market gravity?
Actually, yeah, Solana is making a genuine attempt.
Really? At what price?
It's slightly more positive, sitting around $70.95.
Okay, so what's the target for SOL?
If Solana can just force its way past the $80 mark, it has enough underlying momentum to defy the market drag and potentially target the $120 zone.
Okay, so wrapping this up for you listening, the key takeaways from this Vantage Plus report are clear. Bitcoin desperately needs to clear 63K. Ethereum is fighting to avoid a slide to 1K, and Solana remains the lone altcoin with real potential upside momentum.
Yeah, but there is a final provocative thought hidden in all this news for you to ponder.
What's that?
We mentioned Binance quietly walking away from the Eurozone right before the MiCA deadline. Think about that. If a titan like Binance is abandoning major regulatory Western markets...
Wait, does that mean the power centers are shifting?
Exactly. Could this mean the future power centers of the crypto world are about to drastically shift away from the West?
That is a massive shift to think about. The financial map is being redrawn right in front of us. Keep an eye on those changing power dynamics, and we will catch you on the next deep dive.